What's up everybody, it's Ben with Srkcycles, and today I've got a 2015 Kymco My Road. This thing has ABS, it's 700 cc's. It's actually a pretty nice little machine. I know that we're more motorcycle people and not so many of the scooter side, but let's take a quick walk around this thing. I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you're pretty interested in this particular machine, so I'm going to try to point out some things. This rear tire is in decent shape. I think it would pass inspection wherever you're at, but it would be good to ride on no matter what. Got your license plate mount. You can see the factory exhaust here. This thing has like a pretty big tail light, so you can see that whole this kind of curves up and around. Got tail light and turn signals all in there, brake lights. It does have the shad bag, the little like there we go. Open that up. You can see that little trunk in there. Good for hauling stuff around. So you get that up on the top. See the My Road badge here on the side. There are a few slight imperfections that I want to point out. The biggest one is probably the scrapes here on this exhaust shield. I think if that's something that bothered you, you could replace this exhaust shield pretty easily. That's just pretty hot. Just touch that. That's cool. Then you get these scrapes here, but that's the way that is. And there is a slight mark right here in the paint and right here in this little handlebar. So know that that's where that is. You've got your passenger pegs here. Got all these big floorboard area for the rider. There are some marks here on this side, some little scrapes. I think this thing actually got laid over once. I mean, probably just at really low speed, like at a stop sign. But it didn't like really dent anything up. It just left some scratching on it. Again, right here, continue to kind of prove that theory. Got the Kymco badge there. Come up over the top. See a headlight there. Nice bright headlight. Got the front fender. Front fender's in decent shape. Some light marks on there. Some of that's just dirt. Some of it's just some little specks of marks. There's your front brake there. Got the dual disc brakes. There's the front tire. Front tire's a little bit on the worn down side, but that's what you get. It does have this windshield up here, as you can see. Continue around to this side. See the Kymco badge. Got a little light scrape right there, but nothing quite like we saw on the other side. There's the 700. Again, there's your rider floorboard area here. Passenger peg. If you were to ride two up, there's some light scrapes right here above the My Road badge. A little bit there on that handlebar. And some like scuffs in there. Try to point out all of those. It does have the center stand, so there's that. Got this nice big comfy seat for the passenger, and for the rider it's all one piece. Little compartment in there. So there's that. All your controls, brakes, there, kill switch, turn the ignition on. I think it's 10,657 miles. If you want that after the test drive, make sure you check out the test drive on YouTube if you're interested in this bike. Let's fire it up. Alright, so I can't actually just like keep this running very long because I can't take my hand off the brake. How's that going? Sean model for us so you can see it running. Sean, give me a little bit of throttle there. There you go. It's an automatic. Never done going on up here. Perfect. Shut down. Thank you.
You just got to give it a tad bit of gas when you fire it up, and then it just runs fine. Check out the test drive.
Make sure the turn signals work. Front signal up here in the mirror. Front signal in that mirror. Rear signal is in here. And rear signal there. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2015 Kymco My Road. If you're interested in this thing, check it out on the website. Do not miss out on this bike. Thanks so much for watching.